When I came to Thurston County, I was stepping into the shoes of a wonderful friend and mentor, Dr. Diana Yu. I had a steep learning curve. I got to learn about syringe services. I got to learn about TB control. I had been and still am a health officer in Lewis County, but Thurston County has at least four times the population. So there were other issues that I hadn't encountered. I got to be more aware of working with emergency preparedness and response, with first responders, both law enforcement and fire, and also learning a little bit more about policies, because this is the capital of the state. So yeah, and never forgetting always the need to work with individuals who have tuberculosis, because it's still in the community and still is spreading to other people. I carry a pager, and I carry it all the time. So one May, I was running the half marathon, the Capital City Half Marathon, and I had decided, well, maybe I can walk now. I was at mile 10 of 13, and so I'm walking, and my pager goes off, and I'm sitting by the side of the race. I had a little fanny pack with a piece of paper and pencil, and I'm getting the phone numbers, and I realize there's a child in the hospital with meningococcus, which is quite communicable and can be deadly. So all of a sudden it's like, oh my goodness. So I ran the last 3 miles of the race, and then ran the half mile to where I had parked and got on the phone. Unfortunately, the medical provider had given prophylaxis to the family who was exposed. So that means you've been exposed to something, but you haven't gotten sick yet. And so there's a sort of a time crunch there, and luckily it had been taken care of. But I didn't know that at the time. I will remain the health officer in Lewis County, so I hope to still be involved in many of these areas, but with a little bit more time for myself. And I'm excited about that. And then for the next health officer, I really hope that I get to work with them to improve the health of the region. And also I would ask the next health officer to be aware of all the wonderful resources available here in this department to help them be a success.